This is day 89, and today we are looking at the Excel Consolidate functionality, which can be found under Data tab. So, where do we use Consolidate functionality? Here I have multiple employee sheets. They can be up to 100 or whatever number you have of employees, and they have their worksheets prepared. And now what you want to do is you want to consolidate and combine the result and have a summary sheet here or a total sheet. So you can make use of Consolidate to combine the results. So the first thing you do is you select where you want to put the summary results. So I want my summaries to start from A1 here. I select it, then I say consolidate. Then here now it's saying, what function do you want to use to consolidate? Do I want to get the sum, the count, average, max, or whatever? Then I want to have a sum. Then under reference here, these are the worksheets I need to consolidate, or the ranges I want to consolidate. It can be all on the same worksheet, or it can be in multiple worksheets. So I say, okay, I need to check for the ranges. It can be also coming from other worksheets, because I can make use of browse to access other worksheets. But if it's in the same worksheet, I just go and select the tab I want to use, then I select the range. Then I add it to the references. Then I can go to employee 2 and I add. Employee 3, you can see as I select employee 3, I don't need to select anything because it's already highlighted. So I just need to add it. Then again, with employee 4, the range is already selected. Then I just say add. Then at the bottom here, I'll explain it a little bit later, but you can see I've checked all the rows, or I've ticked all the boxes here, the 3 boxes at the bottom here. Then after that, I then say, okay. So here you can see it's now consolidating employee 1, employee 2, employee 3, employee 4. However, what you will notice is that in January, for example, we only have 3 employees. So that's employee 1, employee 2, and employee 4. We don't have employee 3 for January. And if you go to January to employee 3 sheets, you can see that there is no January here. So it doesn't consolidate it, or it doesn't include it. But you can go you can see as we go to February, you can see employee 3 is now there because we have results for February. So it basically makes you make use of lookup as well to make sure that it exactly matches the left column row. So that's why if I go to consolidate back, you can see that's why I ticked left column, so that it uses it to look up. Otherwise, if I didn't have tick this one, it would put the results starting from the top. So let me just demonstrate that in sheet 4 here. So if I say consolidate, you can see my references are gone now because I'm now using a different sheet. But if I go back into this sheet into total sheet to consolidate, my references will still be there. So let me add again my references. Now, the only thing I'm going to do differently here is I'm going to leave this one unticked. So I'm going to tick this and that. Okay. When I expand, you can see that here it has 4 things for January here, or for the first month. Because I didn't select the month, I didn't want to show the month. So it's showing 4 results. But you can see for employee 3, you'll see that it's taking results from month 2, which is Feb. So 1719, 1719, just taking the Feb. and you see that it will be missing December results. So the last one, you can see it has 3 results and it doesn't have employee 3 here because there is no 12th results. So it's just selecting the first 11 results and there's not 12th results, so it doesn't bring anything into my sheet here. Likewise, also, if I do the same for the columns, it will just fill in these details from the left. So it will move everything to the left and just fill in order. So you have to make sure that you select both top row and left row. Create links, all it does is it brings in the line items and you can easily see where the numbers are coming from. If you don't want to see these lines and you just want to see the total line only, you can also do that by unticking the box create links. So let's do that right away. So if I'm not gonna tick create links, then you can see it's just giving me the total, which matches to the total here. Let me just summarize this. You can see this total 7.121, 7.121, and so on and so on. So it gives me just the summary if I untick create links. But if I want to be able to then expand and see what makes up this total, I can then make use of, I can then tick the box create links. So that's it with consolidate functionality. I'll come back with more on this topic when we look at practical examples on where we can use it and when we can use it effectively. That's it. Thank you. Bye-bye.